Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you to make potato chili or it is very tasty and easy recipe guys. You can make it at your home. So if you like my recipe, please get my channel subscribe guys, and watch the video till end because I'm sharing some important kitchen tips in this video. So let's start making it. So guys, for making this potato chili, or you can say potato and capsicum and aloo shimla mirch, you need the following ingredients. Firstly, I have taken some capsicum. I have cut them into this small size, and I have cut down the potatoes also. You can see the size of the potato, and you can increase or decrease the size of potato according to you. And here I have taken some material for frying. Firstly, I have chopped some onions. I have taken the paste of garlic and ginger here. I have taken the little paste here, and I have taken some chopped green chilies and some chopped tomatoes and some fresh coriander leaves. So we will start making it. Before starting this video, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. You can follow me on Twitter also, and you can like my Facebook page also. Please watch the video till end. I have taken some mustard oil in this pan. So here I have taken nature fresh mustard oil. You can take another cooking oil also. So approximately 1 tablespoon I am using here. Let the oil heat properly. I am making it in very simple style, and it will looks very tasty also, and you will make it with the same recipe manner. So when the oil gets heated properly, then add the paste of ginger and garlic and some chopped onions. Fry the onions till they become translucent. When these onions get translucent or their color gets little pale yellow, then add these fresh tomatoes and these chopped green chilies. And now mix the entire contents. Cook it until the tomatoes get soft. When the tomatoes get soft, after cooking it for 2 minutes, then add capsicum into it. This capsicum will cook with these tomatoes. I am just adding capsicums only. I am not adding potatoes here. Now it's time to add some spices here. Firstly, add salt according to taste. I am adding less than half tablespoon of salt here. 1/4 tablespoon of red chilli powder. More than 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder. And then mix the entire content well and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. After cooking it for 3 to 5 minutes, I am adding potatoes into it. And then mix it well. Now sprinkle some water over it. And then cook it for 2 minutes on the higher flame. After cooking it for 5 minutes on higher flame, I am covering it with a plate and adding some water over it so that we will not need to add water into it. So I am adding water on this plate and I will cook it on lower flame for 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes get soft. So after 15 minutes I will check this. After 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, it will get cooked and the potatoes get soft. Now I'm serving it in a bowl. I will serve it with hot chapatis. Now you can see it looks tasty and all the potatoes get cooked. And if you like my recipe, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, guys. You can follow me on Twitter also, and you can like my Facebook channel, Facebook page, Damini's Kitchen also. Thanks for watching.